Hello, have you ever prepared black eyed beans plus plantain and yam? If you haven't, come let me show you how you're going to prepare this for yourself and your family, and you will come here and thank me later. So keep watching. Let's get started. Here I have already boiled my black eyed beans with my pressure pot. Now I will add cooking oil and I will add my chopped onions and I'll allow it to fry like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, yeah, after it is fried like 2 to 3 minutes, I'll go ahead to add my tomatoes. Use any tomatoes of your choice. If you like, you can use fresh tomatoes. If you like, you can also use your tin tomatoes. Here I'm using my tin tomatoes because I will not add red oil. I want these red tomatoes to I want to use these tin tomatoes to make the color come out very nice. So I'm now adding 1 Maggi cube. Yeah, that is the seasoning I will use to bring the taste of this black eyed bean to next level. I will add paprika. I will add blended powdered pepper. I will add dry fish. This dry fish, I want to add a little dry fish because I'm going to use enough crayfish, blended crayfish for this. So keep watching, guys. Now I will go ahead to add water to cook these tomatoes and the dry fish together. I will allow the taste to come out. Feel free to use any fish of your choice. So I will go ahead to add my peeled yam. The yam have already peeled and set aside. Now I will go ahead to add it. Allow your yam to cook like 10 to 15 minutes. I added salt. This salt will for the taste. Okay, so I will now cover it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll go ahead to see how it is depending on how your yam is. If your yam is thick or hard, allow it to done before you can add other things. Now I've checked the yam is done. I will now add my plantain. This plantain here is not too ripe, it's not also dry. I will add it and I will add my crayfish. Do you see I added a lot of crayfish? This crayfish will bring this taste of this black eyed beans to next level. It will give it a very nice taste. Okay, then I will stir it to rhyme together. After stirring it, I will go ahead to add my beans because the beans have already cooked, but I just added now blended onions because I used the onions to cook my beans. I blended it. I added it now. I added my beans also. I will go ahead to stir it very well. Okay, do you see? I'm cooking this delicious black eyed beans plantain meat with yam for my family because this is very nice for your kids. If you have kids that like beans, this is so good for protein. It's a wonderful proteinous food. It helps children to grow and it's so nice. It's very nutritious. So I cook it like 3 to 5 minutes more. I'll go ahead to stir it and test for salt. Okay, hope you are getting how to cook this. If you don't have pressure pot to cook this, go ahead to use your pot. Wash your parboil first of all your black eyed beans. Remove the first water and cook it again. As you are cooking it, blend. Just get your enough onions, cut them in pieces and add it. These onions will make your black eyed beans to done so fast. Okay, so That's how it is. How you can get it. You can cook it without pressure pot, and it can cook so fast. Now I have checked the salt and added a small salt in it. This is how delicious this is. Hope you like it. Hope you're going to try it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this your delicious and nutritious food for your family, and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time in my next video. Do you see how delicious this is? So bye.